the mud with a smile on his face. Spinny the spinner rolls and flips, twists and twirls with turbo tricks. She lights the crowd with every move, showing kids what wheels can do. Crusher Carl is tough and strong, smashes cars all day long. But he's gentle too, you see. He helps tow trucks when they need to be free. Bouncer Bob goes up so high, he almost touches the blue sky. Then boom, he lands and shakes the ground with a playful honk and thunder sound. Glowzilla shines in neon light, glowing tires in the night. He teaches safety loud and clear. Wear your helmet, have no fear. Monster truck rally, roar and roll, jumping high, they're in control. Engines loud and colors bright, learning while we roll tonight.